Hey again, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com. And in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Tovala Smart Oven. It's like one of my favorite kitchen gadgets at this time, like spoiler alert. Let's get into it right after this. One of the things that attracted me to the Tovala oven is that it came with the accessories. There's some ovens I've seen where it's like, oh, if you want to do this, you have to buy this extra piece, but theirs came with everything. And it even came with this hot mitt that I was not expecting. It's really cute. I really like it. It's good quality. This is the pan that it comes with for the oven. And this is the air fryer rack that comes with the oven. I believe they've recently updated their machines where the air fryer function is a little different, but for the one I have, it came with the air fryer rack. And then these are the pieces that slip inside the steamer. This oven does require water be put inside of it for it to work properly. And this is the little measuring cup that came with the set as well, which makes it really helpful to put water inside. And it also came with some recipe cards, but I also found that the app was really helpful with some different recipes if you wanted to try something different outside of their food. These are all the buttons that are on the front of the Tovala oven. I currently have the little black cap at the top is where you would pour in the water, and it tells you when it needs water and it tells you when it doesn't. The inside of the machine, I can tell you right now, the inside of my machine does not look anything like that anymore because I use my Tovala oven probably every other day. I need to clean out the inside. One of the things that attracted me to the Tovala oven is that they have their own food service. I'm going to make the Green Goddess chicken salad. As you can see, everything is already pre-cut, pre-packaged with the exact amount that you need, which I really love. And then you just put it in the oven and scan the barcode, and the time is already set for you. It's so easy for somebody like me who's single and like I work, and so it's easy to like make my dinner really quick. I would even recommend this to people who maybe have small children, and so they're trying to prepare their small children's food and they need something for themselves. You just pop it in really quick. You press the scan button and scan the barcode that comes with the card. It literally pops up with the time and you press the button. All the seasoning comes with it. Even the chicken is pre-marinated, so you don't need to add any extra things. You can if you're like me and you like maybe extra cheese or something like that, but it's really like everything is already portioned out for you in like the perfect one-person portion. The salad was already cut up. I don't have to cut up any salad. I love that because I hate cutting up salad stuff for meal kits. It came with the dressing already pre-measured out, and it's enough dressing for me. And I'm one of those people I like a little bit of salad with my dressing, and they provide a good portion for you for people who maybe want a little bit more dressing. And then if you want less, you have total control. The chicken always comes out like perfectly cooked. And I am somebody that I get nervous when I am not physically cooking the chicken because I feel like it's not going to like cook all the way. Like even when I put it in like the regular oven, I get nervous. But for some reason with this machine, I guess because it's their machine and they're the ones sending the chicken, it always comes out perfectly cooked. The meals always come with toppings. This one came with bacon and croutons, which once again, like, great measurement. I rarely add anything else. It's mostly me adding cheese or something else that's just random taste that I have. And this is a completed salad that came from their food kit for the Tovala oven. I love the salad. I've gotten it multiple times in my boxes. It's so good, and it's like the chicken is so good. The seasoning is really good, and they send it to you pre-measured, which is just, it's perfect for me. I definitely recommend the Tovala oven to anyone and everyone. Even if you don't get the meal plan or the food that they have, it's still a really good purchase. It's a really good oven, and it works really well. And I think the interface is simple enough where most people could understand how to work it. With the meal plan, it is a little expensive. I will say that. I think I pay about $60 for 4 meals. I don't get it every week though. They don't force you to get it every week. You can get it whenever you want to. But I like the food. I think there's a lot of variety in things that I wouldn't necessarily make by myself. If you are interested in purchasing this oven, I'll put a link down in my bio where you can go to their website and check it out. But I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye!